Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel, and today we have a brand new Little Tikes Build a House playhouse. Isn't this awesome?
Yeah!
It is so cool. So right now we have part of it, and it's kind of sturdy actually, just a skeleton of it, but we're going to make it a super strong house.
Hey,
and you guys are the builders, huh? Yeah! Okay, baby Eli's super excited, and we're going to have a building competition. So Dino is going to be building his side. He actually already started. Toby helped. There's a red panel right here. And Max is going to build this side. And I'm going to help baby Eli make the front.
Oh
no! What's so neat about this playhouse is that you can build it any way you want. And then if you don't like it, you can take it apart and build again and again and again. So we're going to build this. And then we have our other Little Tikes playhouse here with our Little Tikes cozy coop. And they really wanted it here because guess what?
There's a tunnel!
Yeah, there's a tunnel right there. So then we're going to leave a panel here so you can go through both playhouses together. There's Max putting a window on. Good spot. I like that. And you have a blue bumpy panel. I really like these panels. It looks like a real house, kind of like a blue log cabin. You're going to help me with the doors. Where should we put the doors? Should we have them up high or down low? Up high. Okay, so we'll put the doors right here. I'm just going to screw it in with my hands until I have another screwdriver. Because there are two that came with this set, which is awesome, but we're doing it together. So we'll need another. Put this right here. Yeah, you want Toby here? Good. What's right away? We have a reverse. Go. Good. That looks like it matches so well, Max. Let's see you drill. I think this is the first time you've ever used a drill, huh? Is that fun? Can you open those windows next to you? Open the windows. Oh, those are the doors. Are those the doors? Yeah. Yeah, you helped make that. Close them. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So there's our doors. We have a lot of work to do on our side. Huh, baby Eli? Surprise! Oh wait! Toby! You were hiding in the box? Yeah, boxes are super fun. Get on in. Go play. It's Build a House with Toby. Huh?
Bye.
Bye! Now Dino is building this other side too. Really cool texture. Oh, there's a mailbox. Really creative. I like your side a lot, Max. I better finish mine. So normally you can put this right here for a doorway, but Toby wanted it, but baby Eli wanted it like that, so let's put it down here, I think. Or maybe, wait, let's make another tunnel. Like that. Like a crawl through doorway. You're a good hard worker. Work. And play. Wow, this is coming along so well. And it is a good team effort, huh? Boo, huh?
Bye.
Bye. There's Toby building. What side do you think is going to turn out the best? I don't know if this is much of a competition because I think everybody helped together. Wow, I love this side. Oh, and you have a blue piece? Great. Hi. Bye. I like the doors. It kind of looks like a dog house, doesn't it?
We did it!
Good job.
How is it?
So now we are going to decide which part of this playhouse looks the best. What do you think? Do you like this side with the doors up high? Baby Eli like that. You like the tunnel going through. And then we have this side right here. I actually really like this side. Looks really cool. I like the window. And then this side has windows.
I think the best is Baby Eli's and Dino.
Oh.
Not you. Dino and Baby Eli.
I think I like, maybe this side's my least favorite. I think I like this side.
No.
And this side. And that side.
And this side.
That side's really cool. Write down in the comment section what side you like the most. That one? Okay, so I think that one. Okay, well let's give a prize to both of you because I think you both did a good job. So you guys both get a tangle. These things you twist around. It's kind of like a fidget spinner, only cooler. I like them even more. So let's open this up. This is a metallic one and you can collect them all. You got sparkle. So you can twist them. I can connect them with other ones. Let's see. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see yours. All metallic-y, kind of golden. Oh, thanks. Wow, those are fun.
Thank you.
Well, this is so cool. I love this Little Tikes Build A Home. And guess what? Later, we can take it apart and rebuild it again. So I rate this Little Tikes Playhouse a 5 out of 5. It is definitely really creative and pretty sturdy. And I love all the bright colors of the house. Well, everybody, please remember to like this video and subscribe and check out more videos. Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with
Toby!
Yeah, Toby! And Toby is dressed up so cute. He's wearing an adorable Melissa and Doug little chef's costume. And what are you going to do today? Cook! So today we have this really cool Little Tikes Smart Kitchen. This one you use your iPad to make recipes. And this iPad has lots of games, music, and other fun things.
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is make some carrot soup, which is in the recipes area. And holy cow, Toby, you're doing that ultra fast. It says you need to place the carrot on the cutting board, wash it, and then cook it in the pot. So there you go, you place on the cutting board, cut. Look, once he did it, it does a check mark and then wash, and then check, and cook. Oh, don't forget the lid, perfect. Whoa, so now Toby earns a sticker. What sticker would he like? How about the cheese? Yay! And whoa, look! The stove was left on. Whoops. So now what else do we want to do? Should we do another recipe? I think the recipes are a lot of fun. And pie. Ooh, apple pie. Okay, so put a pie on the pan. So there it is in the pan in the oven. Close the door. What? You're cooking pizza! Where'd the pie go? It's magic! Okay, it's done. It was preheated at 350 degrees. And then you put it on the cutting board and ta-da, you did it! You can even cut the pie. Here's a bite, Toby. Whoa! One more recipe, a hamburger. Oh, you want to earn a trophy? How do we earn a trophy?
Get all the stickers.
Yeah, if you get all the stickers, you get a trophy. So, there we go, pan on the stove.
Put it in the pan. What's that?
I think the hamburger's in the refrigerator, and whoa, kind of messy. Now we're making tomato sauce, and we put tomato in a pot, and then there's the lid.
Done already?
Wow, you're a fast cook. Now grilled cheese sandwich time. Pan on the stove, turn on the stove. Oh, there's some cheese. That's a funny grilled cheese sandwich, just some cheese in the pan. There we go, there's some bread. Whoa, we got a trophy. Good job, Toby. Now let's see another part. Okay, so you can do free play games, recipes. We did a lot of recipes. Music. Did you do free play? Okay, so for this, you just put your hand underneath and let's see what happens. Whoa, you're washing your hands. Cool. Yeah, we always gotta wash our hands before we eat or cook. Toby, what happens if you open the oven? Oh wow, a light. That is cool. Then, oh, there you go. You turn the knob for the stovetop. Now let's play some games. Preschool or toddler? Preschool, I guess. Guess which food? So it's when you find the food that is made with milk and it's cheese. A fruit that starts with a T. Tomato? Good job. Oh, we got it. Eggs.
We need something special to cook for dinner. Let's pick some corn. Watch closely. Then when the bell rings, repeat what you saw. Ready, set, go.
Corn.
Corn.
It's in the sink. It's being washed. Oh, go wash it. Wash, oh, cook it.
He doesn't really cook wash though.
You steam it. And then put it on a plate. Can you put it on a plate?
And then ketchup.
Ooh. Now let's play the other game. We'll play the last game.
Oh, there's one. Egg.
Oh, the pan. The pan's missing. So you look at this. What's missing? The pan, yeah. What else?
The pizza.
The pizza. One more. What else is missing?
The cheese.
Oh, the cheese. Good job. Okay, so there's one last thing we need to do, the music. Whoa. Do you want to do the ABCs? Wash your plate. That's hilarious.
This is weird.
Let's see another song. So hit the music one.
The farmer plants some seeds. The farmer plants some seeds. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The farmer plants some seeds. The seeds grow into food. The seeds grow into food. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The seeds grow into food.
Well, AllToyCollector fans, this is definitely a really awesome play kitchen. It's probably one of the best ones I have ever reviewed. And I would rate it a 5 out of 5. You could definitely spend hours playing with it, especially with the cool app that it came with. I also like that it came with tons of food. Some play kitchens don't really come with much. This one came with quite a lot of stuff. And I also really loved that it had a light in the oven. That was a really cute touch. Well, everybody, thanks for watching, and please check out more videos by AllToyCollector and have a wonderful day.
Bye.